Good morning. Bobby doesn't know it, but I have what is the problem? Is it time of morning? Get the box. You got it. You got it, Molly. Molly, look at the box. Y'all ready? All right, open it up. Get it. All right. You ready, Molly? All right, let me get it open. Hold on. It is August 20th, and it is Barkbox time again for Poppy. Tear it open. All right, hold on. See, Molly's over there, all nice and everything. Like, yep, I'm ready. We're decorating for Halloween already in here. And it's like middle of August. Open it up. All right, let me open it up. Hold on. All right, check it out. Yeah, Walkies and these Barkbox. Oh, Poppy. Hold on. Come on. Let's see what we got here. I think we got a llama thing. Poppy took the toy. Here. Here's a llama toy. And Molly's like, hey, where's the trees at? All right, here you go. I got that one. What is this? It looks like a bird. It's a condor. Yeah. And I got it's a condor. All right, got two toys. Got a llama and a condor. Probably sitting fine already. All right, come on, all right. So it's Walkies and the Andes. Apparently it's about the Andes mountains. Check it out. It's Barkbox for the month. Alright, we got treats. You got your Fuddy Nutty Crunchy treats here. Crunchy treats. And then we got your Porky Soft Bakes or soft treats here. And then we got something else. What is this? Bada bing, bada beef, and it's a authentic beef sprinkles we put on dog food. Ooh, look at that. Mom said, yeah, what is that? That smells good. Yeah, we put this on dog food. Well, let's take another look. My pot is playing with the toys over here. She got the condor, and this is the llama. Yep. Well, she put that and get the condor. This is a condor. And then there's also a vulture. All right, Molly, you ready? All right, we'll try the Porky Soft Bakes first. How they are. Here's one for Molly. Here, Molly. Is that good? Don't want it. Here, puppy. Want that? I said, yep, I'll eat that. You sure you don't want one? Here, Molly. Here, Molly. Treats. I'll break it open. Here, look. All right, I'll put it on the floor. What is it? Yep, put it. What do you want? Oh, Molly. Molly likes it. Yeah. There she goes. All right. Here you go. All right. All right, I got the other treats open. These are the Fuddy Nutty Crunchy treats. And you want the Poppy here? Poppy. Nope. Here, Molly. Molly, here. What is it? Yeah, I eat that. Yeah. Here. Are you sure? You want sure? Here. I'll put it on the floor. You know, right here. Look. Those are the treats. And no, you can't have that. I'm gonna put this on your dog food. Right, here you go. All right, so I'm gonna look at this. What it is? This is for. They have some kind of winning up to $500,000 in prizes when you qualify for this box. You skin is cold and send it in, you'll win money. All right, cool. But this is August 2024. It is Walkies in the Andes. And grab your booties, pup, because we're heading down to South America. We're walking the Andes. We've got the little thing right here. And the other toys you get. We got the condor, we got the llama, and this other thing, the little bird. And this. And on the back, see a picture of your dog with a good llama. All right, so there again, these are the 2 treats. And this is a food topper. Check that in a minute. And then you got your llama toy. I said, yeah, give me the toy. And then you got a condor toy. That is Barkbox for August 2024. Molly, yeah, and Poppy. And me, Geo Mad Cat. Thanks for watching.